Would you let someone look through your phone on a first date?
Oh, I can't do that.
Oh, should I click it?
Oh man, I don't feel good.
Is he freaking out?
Welcome to Phone Swap. It's a super awkward dating show.
Hi.
Oh hey, what's going on?
Nice to meet you, Liz.
Hey Liz. I'm Matt and I'm 29 years old. My love life is pretty non-existent right now just because I don't even know what I want.
My name's Liz and I'm 26 years old. My dating life is very turbulent.
What do you do?
I'm a musician.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, what about you?
I'm a musician as well.
Crazy.
Now, the moment of truth. We just let them know they have to trade phones.
Oh, I can't do that.
I feel evil doing this.
Oh, I don't want to do that. I don't know how to think or feel about this. I just don't.
Here.
After snooping through their phones, these two will get to decide if they actually want a second date.
Look at this phone and this phone case. This is intense. Anybody there? Ooh, look at this. That's a really nice picture.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh no.
She's a little model. Look at her. Oh, look, a picture without her pink hair. This phone case in this picture, too. It's like a phone's taking a picture of her. Oh my God. Ooh, I think I found her music. Oh, wow. I like it. I want to hear some more of her music.
That wasn't so bad.
Oh, God, this is awkward. Oh, God. I have to go to the bathroom. Can I go to the bathroom?
Seriously?
Oh, man, I don't feel good. I feel anxious. Your phone, it's like your diary, and I just feel uncomfortable.
Is he freaking out?
Feel like you're gonna throw up?
Hold on. Okay, yeah.
Sure you're okay?
Yeah.
We're good.
Okay. Oh, he has a pizza app. So you probably can't cook.
I'm a freaking foodie.
Your recent orders. Garlic Parmesan white sauce. Ew. Extra cheese. Ew. Yuck. He eats the same thing. Like every day.
I look like such an old man right now.
Oh, poor vous. Oh no, is he a tub douche? Uh-oh. I was first.
That's my next single. It's so good.
Oh, he has a lot of music, actually.
Oh, she's getting the first listen.
Please be good, please be good, please be good.
Do you remember the day when we drove straight down?
This is good, I like it.
Oh, that wasn't terrible, I guess.
This is awkward.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like your music, it's good.
Yeah, your music is awesome. I'd love to hear more of it.
Yeah.
Totally, yeah.
So, what's it gonna be? Will they swipe right on destiny or be alone forever?
She said yes!
He said no. No, I'm just kidding. He said yes, yeah. We got a collab on
Yeah,
music.
totally.
Next week on Phone Swap.
There's definitely news in there.
Ooh.
Zoom in, I'll zoom in for you.
I have seen all of them.
You didn't see all.